Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the outside tail light on a Honda Civic. It will be the same from 06 until 2011. Unfortunately, you will have to remove the bumper cover. We have the video on our channel, guys. Check it out, it's in the description below, so you can see how to remove the bumper cover, and after that you can see how to remove the tail light. Alright guys, it will be the same procedure for the left and the right side as well. In order to access the tail light and the bulbs, you need to remove a few clips here. Just like that, you can pry them open a little bit with the screwdriver, and after that you can pull them with the pliers. Sometimes they tend to break. They sell them pretty inexpensive replacements if you accidentally break one. Okay, this one came out without breaking it, and now you need to pull that liner out, and that's where your tail light is. And now there is one holder for the wires that goes over that bolt there, guys, so you need to pull it out. Okay, that bulb, as you can see, it wasn't even good in there. So what you need to do, you need to release the wires, and in order to do that you need to press on those right here. Press and pull out. All the wires are like that, all the light bulbs. All together it should be 4 of them. Okay, 3 on the bottom and 1 on the top. The top one is the brake tail light. Okay, like that. And after that there is 4 bolts with 8mm socket that we need to remove. Or 4 nuts. One there. Okay, and this one right there. Okay, and we have a video review about that Makita impact wrench, guys. Find it on our channel, pretty good too. Okay guys, as you can see, we removed the bumper cover already, and now underneath there is a bracket with 2 10mm nuts. Okay, just take them off all the way, and now the tail light should be able to come out of there. Nothing else is holding it, you just need to move it a little bit. And this is the tail light, guys. It's if you need to take that bracket, there is only one screw if the replacement doesn't come with a bracket. And that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.